In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the opening balance in your accounting software. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring your records are accurate and up to date. To begin, we'll need to navigate to the right section of your accounting software. First, go to the Accounting tab, and from the options available, select Chart of Accounts. This chart serves as the backbone of your bookkeeping, categorizing all your financial transactions into accounts that make sense for your business. Once you're in the chart of accounts, you'll need to scroll through and locate the specific bank or account that you're looking to update. It's crucial that you select the correct account to maintain the integrity of your financial data, so take a moment to double check this step. With the right account selected, we can now open the register. The register will display a list of all transactions associated with this account, organized by date. As you scan through the list, what you're looking for is the opening balance transaction. This entry is pivotal as it sets the starting point for all subsequent transactions in your account. Once you've found it, click on it to open the details. Now we're at the stage where you may need to make some amendments. It's common that over time discrepancies might arise between what's in your accounting software and what appears on your actual bank statement. If you spot a difference in either the amount or the date, you'll want to update these fields accordingly. Ensure that everything aligns with your bank statement. This step is vital as it ensures your financial reports are accurate and free from errors that could mislead decision-making or compliance efforts. After making these changes, don't forget to save them. Saving is an often overlooked step, but confirming these changes is crucial to update the records accurately. Once you've saved your changes, there's an additional step to consider: reconciliation. This process ensures that your records match your bank statements and is essential for identifying any inconsistencies in your finances. If you find that the reconciliation doesn't appear accurate after updating the opening balance, it might be necessary to redo this reconciliation. Fortunately, in most accounting systems, this is a straightforward process of undoing and redoing the reconciliation until you achieve accuracy. And there you have it. These simple steps will ensure your accounting records are precisely aligned with your actual financial activity. By routinely checking and updating your records, you can maintain robust financial health for your business. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your business finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.